along with money.
You work along with money. What do you mean? You work in the bank, you control the money and stuff like that?
Yeah, in the bank. And then I'm also an athlete, so I'm training willing for the next Olympics.
Can you be my athlete too?
You know what?
Can you be my athlete too?
We'll see. And then I like to travel. I like to shop for clothes here and there, but I prefer shoes. Like I like athletic
What shoes is your
clothes.
favorite?
What happened?
What shoes is your favorite?
Oh, I like Dunks. Like, let me show you real quick. Okay, like this shit.
Oh yeah, that's cute. Is that Jordan?
Yeah, it's Jordan. Those are Dunks.
Okay, that's cute. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
What about you? Where you from?
360. Let me see your body.
I'm also a musician.
I want to see a 360.
What happened?
I want to see a 360.
Oh. Well, I mean, I have a shirt on, but.
Okay. So what do you really want?
What happened?
What do you want? Like, are you looking for a serious committed relationship and stuff like that?
I mean, I'm not in a rush to be in a relationship. It's more so like somebody you can like, spend time with and grow, and like hit the gym, go hiking, go to places together, and just building a friendship / relationship to see where it gets. So, but I'm not in a rush to be in a relationship.
I like that.
To see,
Where you see yourself 2 years from now?
Owning my house and then just traveling more around the world. Definitely starting my own clothing line too, and then start modeling too.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay, Cali.
Okay, cool. We can call that time just like that, you guys. Boom. Ashanti, so was it a match or a pass for you? You feel?
Jonathan is very cute, and he seems like he's someone that knows what he wants. But I feel like you don't have what I'm looking for. And why I say that is because I'm looking for love. I'm looking for someone I can be with, grow with, get to be in a relationship with, committed relationship, and maybe get married and just be happy. You have spoken sometimes some things that I like I can watch a movie cuddling and stuff like that. I love those stuff. But I feel like the way I'm feeling is like, I would give you a chance, and if I was to match with you and give you a chance, you would come probably, 1-2 time, and then after I'll be blocked, and I really don't want to get used and abused.
Yeah, no, neither am I.
Yeah.
All right, Jonathan, I'll get you back, bro.
All right, later.
It's all good. It's all good. We on to the next chat. Everybody. All right, y'all. Let's keep on filling up that live gift goal chat. We are currently 10 out of 20 or 10 out of 15 for the Start Map Polish. Everybody, you guys are doing actually a really good job of completing our live goals. This is our third live goal, I believe, or fourth live goal, I believe, we're working on tonight. So big shout out to the CMB for completing these live goals early, man. Showing a lot of love in the chat.
How are you? You good?
I'm good, thank you. Turn the camera on.
Yeah, but I'm in the Gambia. I don't know if that is
Turn the
okay for
camera
you.
on.
Okay.
Yeah, before we start talking, we got to turn the camera on, bro.
I'm here. Hi.
Oh, okay. I know that's right. Yeah. Ooh.
Good?
That's nice. I like it. He's cute. How old are you? Where you from?
The problem is I'm in Africa. I don't know if that is okay for you.
You're in Africa?
I'm in
Oh, I love
Africa.
me my Africa, man. I travel. I've been to South Korea, I've been to Mexico, I've been to Argentina, I've been to Paris,
Oh, okay.
um, Europe, but I only stayed like 3 days in Europe. So.
Okay. Quickly, I'm Osman. I'm based in the Gambia. I'm 34 years old, soon be 35 by Sunday. No kids, never been married, and I work in a casino.
Oh, casino where the money is. Yeah. Da. So so what I wanted to also ask is you're just so cute. Like you're distracting me.
Thank you.
'Cause you're too cute. Like I wanna say ask stuff and I'm there. Yeah. Gosh, good. God spent a lot of time on you, baby. God spent a lot of time. Listen. So tell me more about yourself because you're just too handsome. Yeah.
Okay. I'm a hardworking person, and I'm single, never been married, no kids, like I said, and I'm looking for someone that is serious too. We can build a family with. I can build a family with, and someone that is also hardworking, know what she wants, and like
How much do you make a
sorry,
month? How much do you make a month?
how much what?
You make a month?
Does it matter?
No, I'm just saying. I want to
No, that should
know.
be private. That should be private, I guess.
Okay. You
But
always not to
one thing I
share.
can offer you is I'm working, and I'm taking good care of myself.
And
So
how old are you again?
I'm 34. By Sunday I'll be 35.
And you have no kids.
Not for now. Yeah.
Have you ever been with a transgender woman before?
If I ever been with who?
With a transgender woman.
Nah, I've never.
Yeah, so why did you come up for me?
I came up because you look beautiful. I don't know that you are transgender, but
Thank you.
I see what I like what I'm seeing. So I don't know.
Okay. So it doesn't matter who I am because I want to get that. I want you to speak that clear again, so that those at the back end, them, and those can hear good. You're stunned by my beauty, and that's why you're here right now with me.
It's not about the yes, you're beautiful. That's one thing because even though they used to say physical attraction is not important, to me it is because
Yeah,
you have to be attracted to the person that you want. You understand? So
yeah,
for me it is. And secondly, you seems like someone that know what she wants, and you seem like someone that is serious. I don't know, according to the way you talk and all of that. So
yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, I'm a sweetheart. I'm a sweetheart. I'm a very sweet person.
And
Man, look, so look,
one
I'm
thing
here.
about
Look at me when I'm speaking.
and I also love Jamaican women.
Yeah,
Jamaican.
look at me when I'm speaking. Stop looking at the comment. Look at me in my eyes. Thank you. I was saying to you earlier, stop being distracted. Look at me.
Okay, I'm here. I'm looking at you
I
now.
was saying earlier, I am a very sweet person, a very sweet girl. And I love and I love hard. So all you gotta do is open up your heart
Okay,
and just keep it real with me.
okay, that's cool.
Oh,
The whole thing. At least I've been a man, came up for you and shooting out my shot and
I
it's all
love
that.
that. I love me my strong black man who knows to get up and go for what they want.
Yeah, so
Lavender. All right, you guys, we're gonna call that time right there, chat. Thank you so much, Lavender. All right, Ashanti, is this a match for you or a pass for you?
I like him. He's really confident. He's strong. And he was determined.
Okay.
I was a little bit confused though. You're tricky. You're tricky. I like you, Theo. But I'm gonna have to pass. You know why?
why?
You're tricky. You're 34 years old and you have no kids or no woman. That's unbelievable.
So what? No, but that's the truth. I don't have to like if
Yeah,
I
of course that is the truth. I do feel it when you said it out your mouth. But my thing is, and no one would ever come in alive and disown their child or tell lies that they don't have any
no,
kids.
but
But my
I have
thing
no,
is, exactly.
I have no
But
reason
my
to
thing
like.
is,
This is me.
yeah, my thing is, it just seems a little bit confusing to me. So for me to run in a relationship with someone who is single, been single and no kids, it's gonna be a little bit, you know.
Come on.
I'm
Are
not,
you
baby,
serious?
ain't nothing wrong. Why
Okay.
wanna pass? Y'all wanna fight me? Okay, I'm
That's
just
fine. I'll respect that. I'll respect that. No problem.
yeah,
All right. Take care. Okay.
All right, bro. Let me get you back,
All
man.
right, bro. Take care,
All
man.
right. Yeah.
oh gosh.
Good chat. We on to the next chat. All right, you guys, let's keep on tapping that screen. Everybody, keep tapping that screen, y'all. We currently have 200,000 likes, you guys. Holly, with the star map Polaris. Let's go, Holly.
Thank you so much.
You guys make sure to follow Holly, guys. Anybody that is contributing towards our live.